Concentration is the foundation on which you build your success. Hi, I'm Sheetal, and today I'm going to perform asanas and meditations which will channel our mind to concentrate on the desired goal. Let's begin. The first pose that I'm performing is called Vrikshasana or the tree pose. I am beginning this pose by standing straight with my arms by my sides. I'm slowly placing my left leg on my right inner thigh while maintaining my balance. Now I'm gently taking both my arms over my head and making a namaskar pose. I'm holding this pose for some time while maintaining my balance. While in this pose, make sure you do not place the foot on the knee while doing the asana, as it may put pressure on the knee. Place it above or below the knee joint. I'm getting my arms back and releasing the left leg. The second pose I am performing is called Tadasana or the mountain pose. To begin this pose, I'm standing with my feet a few inches apart and my arms are by my side. Now I'm gently shifting my body weight on my toes and stretching my entire body upwards. I'm holding this pose for a few seconds as I maintain regular breathing. Time to come back to the initial position. The third pose I'm performing is called Garudasana or the eagle pose. I'm standing straight with my hands by my side. Now I'm gently bending my left knee, lifting my right leg and getting it around my left leg so that my right foot touches my left shin. Now I'm lifting both my arms to the shoulder height and getting my right arm around my left arm. I'm making sure my elbows are bent at 90 degrees. Time to release the asana. I'm now repeating the same pose on the other side. The fourth and final pose I'm performing is called Sukhasana or the easy pose. To begin this pose, I'm sitting with my legs crossed. Next, I'm keeping my spine straight, maintaining the natural curves of my spine. Now I'm placing both my palms on my thighs, facing the back of the palms, touching the thighs. I'm making sure to keep my body weight evenly distributed on both my buttocks. As I'm gently inhaling, I'm lengthening my spine upwards while I roll my shoulders backwards. I'm keeping my chin parallel to the floor and my facial muscles relaxed. I'm closing my eyes and focusing on breathing. Simply witness the breaths. If there are a lot of thoughts on your mind, simply witness them and come back to breathing. You can be in this posture for as long as you feel comfortable. The path to success is tough. Yoga accompanies you in the process. On this happy note, this is Sheetal taking your leave. Until we meet next, keep growing, keep glowing.